Welcome to TBC version 3.90 feature video. This video goes over some new CAD features that we've added in Trimble Business Center version 3.90. Those features include creating a 3-point rectangle and circle CAD element, matching properties and selecting similar from CAD geometry, and ortho snap and ortho tracking modes. Let's get started. The 3-point geometry creation commands work for creating a circle and a rectangle in new ways in TBC. So we're going to look at a SX10 dataset here with some structures, some houses, some outbuildings that we're going to draft using the 3-point rectangle command. So right here, as you can see, my cursor is highlighting this building. We've got a partial scan of it. It is orientated not vertically or straight with the page. So we would need a 3-point rectangle to quickly and most efficiently draft this structure. So in the CAD command, under rectangle in the dropdown, there's a 3-point rectangle. This is the same as the rectangle geometry creation command, except for if you notice you have an additional option there. Corner 1, corner 2, and then a width. So it's establishing the width of that based on those first two corners selected. And I'll do the same here real quick for this little outbuilding. Corner 1, corner 2, and then the width. And so we move through the rest of the drawing in a similar manner, outlining our structures with this 3-point rectangle command. The 3-point circle command allows you to generate a circle based on 3 points that fall on the circle. Once we've outlined and edited our rectangles for our structures, we'll turn the point cloud off so we can see them a little easier and show you the select similar and match properties feature. So here's the rectangles and modified rectangles we've drawn to outline the structures. There's a new command in version TBC 390 that is select similar based on the properties of the element. So right here, the structure is turned into a CAD polyline. I'm going to right click and hit select similar, and all but one of the lines or the structures are highlighted and selected. Now, why is that one not selected? It's because it is not a CAD polyline. It is considered a line string. I made a few edits here to highlight this point. So the select similar command will work for similar CAD elements. Now to show match properties, I'm going to change the color on this one outline to a green. And there you can see it's green. And then I can go ahead and say match that property by right-clicking, and I can pick which property I want to match. I just want to pick the color, and you can single select an object or multi-select like I just did. I hit apply, and all of the elements I've selected are now turned green. Alright, now in showing you the ortho tracking and ortho snapping commands, I'll throw in a little bonus coverage here of a cutting plane application with the SX10. So what we want to do is outline those rectangular windows on that house. So I've launched the cutting plane view. I'm going to create a new plane definition off of 3 points on that face. I want to get the face where those windows are located to draw my rectangular windows. So I'll pick 3 points on the face of the house, and my plane is created. Zooming in on the cutting plane, I can select a cutting plane thickness to view more or less of the point cloud. So right now it's at 1 foot depth. I change it to a 1/2 foot, change it back to 1 foot. I like what I see here. The CAD tab, I'm going to pick my geometry creation method, which is I'm going to need polyline. And in the lower right corner there's the new ortho icon snap that will trigger the snaps on or off. You can also trigger the ortho snaps in the snap icon there within this ortho snap tab. There's off, ortho, and ortho tracking modes as well. We're going to leave this at off right now. Now I will go ahead and start drafting my windows. I'll name it window 1, and to engage the ortho snap, I can click on the icon in that lower bar or press and hold the shift key. That will also engage the command when you're in a geometry creation mode like create polyline that supports ortho mode. Go ahead and outline my first window here. It's a bit muddled with the point cloud, so I'm going to do something a little different with the second window. I'll start in the upper corner, work my way down and over. But now that I've got these two corners, I know it's a rectangle, so I know where I need to go to finish the remaining geometry. Turn the point cloud off and show you the ortho tracking right there to snap to the third vertex and snap back to the finish. This concludes our CAD features that are new for TBC 390. Thank you very much for watching,